Welcome to Pharmacon Health, your go-to source for science-backed wellness tips. If you're passionate about discovering natural ways to enhance your health, beauty, and overall well-being, you come to the right place. Our channel brings you evidence-based solutions to help you look and feel your absolute best, naturally. From skincare to lifestyle tips, we've got everything you need to thrive. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes and not a replacement for professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any wellness changes. Now, let's dive into the ultimate guide to using turmeric for glowing skin. Is turmeric the secret to glowing skin, or is it just another beauty trend? Let's dive into the real science behind this golden spice. For centuries, turmeric, especially its compound curcumin, has been celebrated for its health benefits. But when it comes to skincare, can it really live up to the hype? Here's what the research says. Curcumin has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This means it helps reduce redness, fights off free radicals, and works to even out your skin tone. Whether you're using turmeric topically or adding it to your diet, this spice can support your skin in looking fresh and radiant. The best part, it's not just another fad. Science actually backs it up, so if you've been wondering whether turmeric really delivers on its promises, we're here to tell you, yes, it can. Stay with us as we guide you through how to add turmeric into your skincare routine to help you achieve a glowing, healthy complexion. Ready for the transformation? Let's get started. What is turmeric and why skin loves it? Turmeric, also known as curcuma longa, is more than just a spice in your kitchen. Its key compound, curcumin, is packed with antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. These qualities help soothe skin irritation, reduce acne, brighten the complexion, and even slow down the signs of aging. Research shows that turmeric can reduce oxidative stress, a leading cause of dull skin and premature wrinkles. By fighting free radicals, it helps protect the skin's natural barrier, promoting a healthier, more radiant appearance. Whether used topically or ingested, turmeric offers numerous benefits, from calming inflammation to supporting skin regeneration. So, if you're looking for a natural way to improve your skin's health and glow, turmeric could be your new best friend. The benefits of turmeric for skin, backed by research. Let's break it down, shall we? Turmeric isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a skincare powerhouse. And the research behind it is absolutely fascinating, from fighting acne to brightening your complexion. Turmeric is your natural ally for healthy, glowing skin, ready to glow naturally. Let's count down the skin-loving powers of this golden wonder. 1. Turmeric's impact on acne. We've all been there, a breakout that seems to appear out of nowhere. Well, turmeric can help with that. Studies have shown that turmeric can visibly reduce acne lesions within just 3 weeks. That's impressive, right? The reason it works so effectively is because of its powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. These properties help calm the skin, reduce swelling, and fight the bacteria responsible for acne. So, if you're struggling with occasional breakouts, turmeric could be your go-to solution to get your skin back on track. 2. Fading hyperpigmentation. Let's talk about hyperpigmentation, those stubborn dark spots, sunspots, or post-acne marks that seem to linger forever. Turmeric's got your back here too. By inhibiting melanin production, turmeric works to lighten these dark spots and even out your skin tone. So, whether it's dark spots from the sun or scars left behind from acne, turmeric can gradually lighten them, giving your skin a more even, radiant glow. 3. Collagen production and skin elasticity. Here's where the magic happens. Turmeric isn't just a surface-level fix, it helps with the deeper layers of your skin, too. It promotes collagen production. Collagen is the protein responsible for keeping your skin firm, smooth, and elastic. As we age, our collagen production naturally decreases, which can lead to sagging or fine lines, but turmeric's ability to boost collagen means your skin stays youthful and bouncy, helping you maintain that smooth, glowing complexion. 4. Hydration and fine lines. Let's talk about the hydration boost turmeric provides. In a 2020 study, turmeric gel was shown to improve skin hydration and reduce fine lines by a solid 29% in just 1 month. That's a pretty significant improvement for such a natural ingredient. Hydrated skin is healthy skin, and turmeric's moisturizing effects can help restore that balance, leaving your skin feeling soft, plump, and smooth. If you're noticing fine lines creeping in, turmeric's hydration and plumping effects can make a big difference, helping to keep your skin looking fresh and youthful. 5. Reducing redness, puffiness, and inflammation. Finally, Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties are a game changer. Whether you've had a long day or your skin is feeling irritated, turmeric helps to calm and balance your complexion. It reduces redness, puffiness, and soothes any irritation, bringing your skin back to a calm and balanced state. It's like giving your skin a deep breath of relief after it's been stressed out, helping to restore its natural beauty and tranquility. 6. Turmeric for sun protection and UV damage. Beyond acne and wrinkles, turmeric can also offer some protection from UV damage. While it's not a substitute for sunscreen, some studies have suggested that turmeric's antioxidant properties can help protect the skin from the harmful effects of UV rays. It helps to neutralize the damage caused by UV exposure, reducing the risk of sunburn, dark spots, and premature aging. When incorporated into a skincare routine, turmeric may act as a supplemental shield to defend your skin from daily sun exposure. So, whether you're battling acne, looking to fade those pesky dark spots, or hoping to maintain youthful, hydrated skin, turmeric has your back. It's a natural ingredient that's not only backed by centuries of tradition, but also by modern science. From reducing acne lesions to boosting collagen and hydration, turmeric is truly a skincare superstar. No wonder it's been used for centuries. And no wonder it's time for you to add it to your routine too. Turmeric skincare recipes that actually work. You don't need expensive creams or fancy treatments. Let's make for powerful turmeric skincare recipes right at home using simple ingredients. These easy-to-make DIYs bring the benefits of turmeric directly to your skin. Here's how you can get glowing, healthy skin without breaking the bank. Number 1. The Glow Mask for a natural radiance boost. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of honey, and 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt. The turmeric brightens your complexion, while honey adds moisture and yogurt gently exfoliates, leaving your skin soft and glowing. Apply this mask to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Then rinse off with lukewarm water. It's perfect for restoring a fresh, youthful glow. Number 2. Turmeric Face Oil. The simple face oil recipe is perfect for nighttime nourishment. Mix a few drops of turmeric essential oil into jojoba or rosehip oil. These oils are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, making them ideal for deeply hydrating and rejuvenating your skin overnight. Gently massage the oil onto your face, focusing on areas that need extra hydration or anti-aging treatment. You wake up with soft, nourished skin that feels refreshed and balanced. Number 3. Turmeric Spot Treatment. Got pimples or dark spots? This turmeric spot treatment is your best friend. Make a thick paste by mixing turmeric with aloe vera gel, a soothing and healing ingredient. Dab this mixture directly onto pimples or dark spots, letting it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. Aloe vera calms inflammation, while turmeric helps to lighten dark spots and reduce redness. Use this treatment regularly to fade scars and give your skin a clearer appearance. Number 4. Turmeric Hydrating Face Mask. If you want soft, moisturized skin, this hydrating mask is a must-try. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with 2 teaspoons of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of milk. The coconut oil deeply moisturizes, while milk gently nourishes and soothes the skin. Apply the mask to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse off with warm water for soft, hydrated skin. Number 5. Turmeric Exfoliating Scrub. For gentle exfoliation, mix turmeric with sugar and olive oil. Sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, while olive oil hydrates and nourishes the skin. Gently scrub your face in circular motions to remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling fresh and rejuvenated. This scrub works well for removing dry, flaky skin and promoting a smooth, even texture. And there you have it, easy, affordable, and effective turmeric skincare recipes you can make right at home. No need for expensive treatments or products, just the power of nature's best ingredients. Whether you want a glowing complexion, reduce blemishes, or deeply hydrated skin, turmeric has you covered. Incorporate these recipes into your routine and watch your skin transform naturally. Your glowing, healthy skin is just a few DIY steps away. Best practices and precautions for using turmeric on your skin. Turmeric is a fantastic ingredient for your skincare routine, but to get the best results, you need to use it wisely. Let's talk about some essential best practices and precautions to keep your skin safe and glowing. 1. Patch test. First, before using any turmeric-based product on your face, always perform a patch test. It's crucial to ensure you won't have an allergic reaction or irritation. Simply apply a small amount of your turmeric mixture behind your ear and wait 24 hours to see if any redness, itching, or swelling occurs. 2. Use cosmetic-grade turmeric only. Not all turmeric is suitable for skincare. To get the best results, always use cosmetic-grade turmeric. Regular kitchen turmeric may cause staining and irritation. Cosmetic-grade turmeric is specially formulated for skin use, ensuring it's safe, effective, and non-staining. 3. Don't overuse 2 to 3 times a week is ideal. More is not always better with turmeric. Overusing it can lead to irritation. For most skin types, using turmeric-based products 2 to 3 times a week is enough to reap the benefits. It's important to maintain balance in your skincare routine. 4. Avoid direct use on active eczema or broken skin. If you have active eczema or broken skin, it's important to avoid applying turmeric directly to these areas. Turmeric can irritate damaged skin or cause further inflammation. Always consult with a dermatologist if you're unsure about using turmeric in these cases. Additional tips to maximize the benefits of turmeric. Now that we've covered the best practices, here are a few extra tips to make the most out of your turmeric skincare routine. For an extra brightening effect, combine turmeric with vitamin C. Vitamin C is known for its ability to lighten dark spots and even out your complexion. Together, turmeric and vitamin C work in synergy to give your skin a radiant glow. 2. Always use sunscreen. Even though turmeric has antioxidant properties that help protect your skin, it doesn't replace sunscreen. Always apply sunscreen during the day after using turmeric-based products to protect your skin from harmful UV rays and prevent sun-induced aging. 3. Be mindful of staining. Turmeric has a strong yellow pigment, and it can stain light-colored towels, clothing, or bedding. To avoid this, use a dark towel or apply turmeric treatments in the evening, allowing your skin to absorb the product before going to bed. 4. Complement with a healthy diet and lifestyle. To get the best results from your turmeric skincare routine, make sure you're also eating a healthy diet, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep. All these factors work together to enhance the benefits of turmeric, helping your skin stay healthy and radiant. Turmeric supplements versus topical. What's better? Turmeric is an incredible ingredient when it comes to glowing skin, but the question many of us ask is what's the best way to use it? Should you take turmeric supplements or apply it directly to your skin? Both methods have their own powerful benefits, but they work in different ways. Let's break down how each method works and which one might be better for you. 1. Topical turmeric. Fast visible results. Let's start with topical turmeric. When you apply turmeric directly to your skin, you'll notice the effects almost immediately. Topical turmeric works quickly to reduce inflammation, brighten your complexion, and help with things like blemishes and redness. If you're looking for fast, visible results, topical turmeric is your go-to. It's perfect for spot treatments or masks that deliver quick fixes for those visible skin concerns. 2. Oral turmeric. Long-term glow. Now, let's talk about oral turmeric. When you take turmeric internally, it works on a deeper level. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, helps to reduce systemic inflammation throughout your body. This leads to long-term skin health, improving texture, reducing acne flare-ups, and even boosting collagen production. And like topical turmeric, which targets immediate skin issues, oral turmeric improves your skin from the inside out for that deep, radiant glow. 3. Combo of both. Maximum impact. While both topical and oral turmeric are beneficial on their own, the best results often come from using both. When you combine the power of topical turmeric for instant benefits with oral turmeric for long-term skin health, you get maximum impact. The combination of both methods works in synergy to give you the most glowing and healthy skin possible. Studies back up the benefits of both topical and oral turmeric for skin. A study published in Nutrients in 2023 found that turmeric plays an essential role in improving skin health by reducing inflammation and increasing antioxidant defense, whether applied topically or consumed internally. So, should you use turmeric supplements or apply it topically? The answer is both. Topical turmeric offers fast, visible results, while oral turmeric gives you a deep, long-lasting glow. But when used together, the two create a powerful synergy for radiant, healthy skin from the inside out. Real user stories and clinical evidence. Default text turmeric is more than just an ancient remedy, it's proven to work in the modern world too. In a 2023 clinical study, an impressive 85% of users reported visible skin brightness after just 28 days of using turmeric. But it's not just numbers. Real people, like you, have shared their personal stories of how turmeric has transformed their skin from cystic acne to post-acne marks to an even skin tone. It's a skincare solution that's accessible, effective, and natural, Turmeric's benefits aren't just anecdotal, it's backed by both ancient wisdom and cutting-edge research. In the Journal of Evidence-Based Integrative Medicine, a study from 2023 confirms turmeric's effectiveness, showing significant skin improvements after consistent use. Turmeric has helped thousands reclaim their skin naturally. It's safe, effective, and accessible to everyone, offering a holistic approach to beautiful, glowing skin. The turmeric truth. So here's the turmeric truth. It's not just a fad. It's a glow booster, an acne fighter, a natural antioxidant, and a skin barrier protector. Whether you're dealing with blemishes, dullness, or just looking to add a healthy glow, turmeric has your back. But like anything great, it takes a little time and consistency. Start slow, stay consistent, and always choose clean, quality products to get the best results. Glowing skin isn't magic, it's science, and with turmeric, that science can be part of your everyday routine. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Pharmacon Health, and drop a comment below. Have you used turmeric before? What results did you get? Let's glow together.